Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add voiceover in Canva. So first, there are a couple of methods. So the easiest way is to just upload a video file. Uh, for example, if you want to create a birthday presentation for somebody, just click on it, and then you can upload more files if you want. Just click on upload files and choose a video file, and once it is uploaded, then just drag and drop it and place it on here. Then once the video is on Canva, you can just simply go ahead and click present and record, and then you can record yourself while talking about the presentation. And just one, make sure you have your script ready, or if not, you can just make one and then click go to recording studio, and you have to allow your cameras, and then you have to click on allow microphone, and then let me just turn off my camera quickly, and I'm using crisp. So once everything is ready, just hit the record button and wait for the countdown to end, and just keep on talking. And as at the moment this is recording, so just let me stop it, and this will upload as an audio file on Canva. So just click save and exit. So there you go. Your audio is now on Canva. Okay. So that's all there is to it. And another thing I'd like to show you is you can use Morph AI. So it is a very powerful tool. And with this, you can generate AI voice overs. Just simply type whatever you want to uh, add to your video. For example, this one right here. Just click on play to check what each AI voice sounds like, and then simply download the file and upload it on Canva. Now, if you don't want to use Morph, you can use AI VOOV. Just show you that one. AI VOOV or something like that. So this is another AI text to speech, and it's very popular, similar to Morph, and just generate a script in multiple languages, not just English. You can like generate French, Italy, Germany language, and more. So if it's great for multilingual options. Anyway, that is how you just upload and download and upload the file, or just record on the go on Canva. So that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.